Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make loaded baked potato soup. First, select 3 to 4 large russet potatoes, as they provide the ideal starchy texture for this hearty dish. Bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 1 hour, or until they are perfectly fork tender. Once baked, let them cool down just enough so you can comfortably handle them for the next step. This initial preparation is key to a delicious soup. Next, we'll build the flavorful base for our soup. In a large pot, sauté 1/2 cup of diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until fragrant and softened. Then, whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour to create a roux, cooking it for about 1 minute to remove the raw flour taste. Gradually pour in 4 cups of chicken broth and 2 cups of milk, stirring continuously until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. This forms the rich foundation of your soup. Now it's time to bring everything together. Take your cooled baked potatoes and either mash them roughly or dice them into small pieces, ensuring some chunks remain for that authentic loaded baked potato feel. Carefully stir these prepared potatoes into your thickened soup base. Once combined, let the soup simmer gently over low heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows all the wonderful flavors to meld beautifully, creating a truly comforting dish. Finally, let's add those irresistible finishing touches. Stir in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese and 1/2 cup of sour cream until fully melted and incorporated, making the soup extra creamy and rich. Ladle your delicious loaded baked potato soup into bowls and garnish generously with crispy bacon bits, fresh chopped green onions, and a sprinkle of extra cheese. For more great kitchen tips and deals, including a link for the Owala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade comfort food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.